Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best drill press. Starting at number 5. Delta 18 to 900 liters. The Delta 18 to 900L is the first industrial grade drill press on this list. And it is a monster. This can be considered a commercial drill press. It features a beefy cast iron body with a capacious work table and a laundry list of best-in-class features that make it one of the top contenders for the best drill press. Designed for the serious woodworker, the Delta 18 to 900L features a rugged design that screams industrial. There are very few shiny parts. Instead, you are greeted by the matte finish of heavy-duty cast iron and steel. The table is 20 x 14 inches and you can adjust it in various angles depending on the job. This is a 16-speed drill press that uses 2 belts and 3 pulleys to adjust the speeds. It has a low speed of 170 RPM, which is ideal for metals, and a top speed of 3000 RPM. There's a speed adjustment chart on the underside of the cover that shows you the right speed for the right material. All that you need to do is flip open the top, move the lever to release the tensioning, adjust the speed and press the lever again. The tension adjusts automatically. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. At number 4. WEN 4210T. Another WEN in the top 10, and this one is in a slightly higher price bracket, but it does justify that higher price. The 4210T is a slightly bigger and meatier option than the number 1 pick in this list of the best drill press. It's quintessential WEN. Built like a rock, as stable as they come, and lots of power for the size. Despite all this, it comes at a very affordable price. A brute of a press. We love the cast iron construction of the WEN drill presses. It gives it so much more stability than flimsy, cheap ones. It almost eliminates the wobble completely, even when you are working at the top speed on tough material. The 4210T comes with pre-drilled holes to mount on a workstation or bench. It is powered by a 3.2 amp 1/3 HP induction motor that packs a punch with its performance. It doesn't bog down even when working on denser stock and rarely overheats. As an added bonus, it is quieter than some of the other presses on this list. This is a 5-speed press, by the way, and it has a low speed of 600 RPM and a top speed of 3100 RPM. Rack and pinion height adjustment system just like the 4208. The 4210T also features the 1/2-inch chuck with JT33 taper. It's compatible with a wide range of bits. And there's on-board key storage. Halfway of my listed number 3. Skil 3320. At first glance, the Skil 3320 looks like a mirror replica of the WEN 4210T. There's very little difference in the design apart from the different color schemes on the casing. But when you actually start to work on it, you'll notice that there are tiny variations in the way the Skil 3320 works with different materials. 2-stroke tabletop drill press. The Skil 3320 is a 2-stroke tabletop machine that's ideal for DE woodworkers or hobbyists alike. As we mentioned, it is very similar to the WEN 4210RT in terms of specifications. It comes with a 1/2-keyed chuck that works with a wide range of bits that are up to 1/2 inches. It is a 5-speed press. You can go from 570 to 3050 RPM by adjusting the belt and pulley system. The work surface tilts or bevels by up to 45 degrees to the left or right. And it comes with the X2 laser beam. Wondering, aren't you? Compact and higher drilling capacity. Skil has also stood behind this product with a 3-year limited warranty. Coming in at number 2. DEWALT DWE1622K. Now on to the higher priced DEWALT for a very impressive drill press. The DEWALT DWE1622K is a lightweight portable mag drill press that comes with a dedicated storage case and a bunch of useful features that make life easier in the workspace. It is aimed at the more selective DER looking for more power in a compact package. Easy bit changes. The DWE1622K is designed for easy operation, even when you are placed precariously on a high beam. The 3-point grip handle releases at the press of a button and can be attached on both sides of the tool. Ditto with the machine's steel weld and chuck. You can release it and change bits in the blink of an eye. We did find a wee bit of play in the chuck. But that's expected for a budget-priced mag drill. This is not a drill that we'd use for engineered drilling tasks anyway. The 10-amp motor offers it plenty of juice for routine tasks. On days when you might overexert it, the overload LED light starts to blink. The best part is that the drill won't stop dead on you in the middle of your drilling task. It will continue to run for a few more seconds before it stops automatically. The LED turns red at this point. Just allow it to cool down for a while before restarting. Ideal for a variety of cutting tasks. And number 1. WEN 42088 inches. We have started this guide with the best value for money product, and the WEN, without doubt, wins in this category, especially when you consider the price. The WEN 4208 is a pocket-sized powerhouse of a drill press that will impress you with its phenomenal build quality and great performance. The compact size and reasonable price tag make this a great choice for home workshops. It isn't a commercial drill press like number 5 on the list, but it's much cheaper, and the Delta drill press would be an overkill for most people. The 4208 is a sturdy little 8-inch drill press. Bolt it down to a level surface and it doesn't wobble a bit. There's no play in the handles either. That's a lot to do with the cast iron construction. It has an 8-inch swing and a 2-inch bore. Depth can be preset for repetitive tasks. It is a 5-speed press with a low of 740 RPM and a top speed of 3140 RPM. Adjusting the speed is a little cumbersome due to the pulley system. But that's not a deal breaker. Also, this might get bogged down if you look to bore through dense stock. This is not a professional grade press. 1/2-inch chuck with on-board storage. The WEN 4208 comes with a 1/2 keyed JT33 chuck that accepts a variety of bits with up to a 1/2-inch shank. The dedicated on-board chuck storage is a neat addition that ensures that you don't misplace it. And it's easily accessible for on-the-job adjustments. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below.